Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On your phone. First, you will need an emulator, which is software that mimics a classic game console. For Apple devices, Delta is a fantastic option, offering broad compatibility. Android users often find RetroArch to be a versatile choice, supporting many different systems. These apps are your gateway to playing beloved retro games right in your pocket. Next, you will need the game file itself, known as a ROM. A ROM is essentially a digital version of the original game cartridge. While many sites offer these files, it is important to remember that legally, you should only download ROMs for games you already own. Exercise caution when searching online for Super Mario Bros. ROM to ensure you are using a safe and reliable source. Once you have your emulator and ROM, it is time to set things up. Install the emulator app from your phone's app store. Open it and look for an option to load or import a ROM. Browse to the location where you saved your Super Mario Bros. File and select it. You can then customize the on-screen controls or connect a physical Bluetooth controller for a more authentic gaming experience. With everything configured, you are ready to jump into the Mushroom Kingdom. The game should load, allowing you to guide Mario through his iconic journey. Feel free to explore the emulator's settings to optimize the display for your phone, perhaps adjusting aspect ratios or filters. Most importantly, always remember to save your game progress frequently through the emulator's built-in save features, so you never lose your hard-earned coins or power-ups.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.